Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story. Today's topic is talking about my weekend trip. Many people enjoy taking short trips on the weekend. A weekend trip is a great way to relax, spend time with family or friends, and create happy memories. Today, you will learn how to talk about a weekend trip in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Travel vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Trip. Repeat. Trip. Travel. Repeat. Travel. Bus. Repeat. Bus. Train. Repeat. Train. Hotel. Repeat. Hotel. Mountain. Repeat. Mountain. Beach. Repeat. Beach. Camera. Repeat. Camera. Journey. Repeat. Journey. Relax. Repeat. Relax. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I went on a weekend trip. Repeat. I went on a weekend trip. The journey was exciting. Repeat. The journey was exciting. We stayed in a hotel. Repeat. We stayed in a hotel. Very good. Talking about a weekend trip. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, how was your weekend? Daniel, it was wonderful. Emma, what did you do? Daniel, I went on a trip to the mountains with my family. Emma, did you enjoy it? Daniel, yes, we had an amazing time. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. How was your weekend? Pause. How was your weekend? I went on a trip. Pause. I went on a trip. We had a wonderful time. Pause. We had a wonderful time. The journey was exciting. Pause. The journey was exciting. Excellent. Planning the trip. Now let's continue. Friend, where did you go? Emma, we visited a beautiful hill station. Friend, who went with you? Emma, my parents, my brother, and I. Friend, how did you travel? Emma, we traveled by train. Friend, was the journey comfortable? Emma, yes, it was relaxing and enjoyable. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Noah and his family went to the beach last weekend. They left home early in the morning and drove for 3 hours. When they arrived, they walked along the beach, collected seashells, and watched the waves. In the afternoon, they had lunch at a small restaurant near the sea. Before going home, Noah took many beautiful photographs of the sunset. It was one of the best weekends of his life. Now answer these questions. Where did Noah go? To the beach. How did they travel? They drove there. What did they collect? Seashells. What did Noah photograph? The sunset. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I went on a weekend trip. The journey was wonderful. We traveled together. I took many pictures. We had a great time. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about a trip, answer these simple questions. Where did you go? Who went with you? How did you travel? What did you do? How did you feel? These questions help you tell your story clearly in English. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My weekend trip was exciting. I traveled with my family. We visited a beautiful place. I enjoyed every moment. I'll always remember this trip. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful travel vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about a weekend trip in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to describe the places we visited, talk about fun activities, share travel experiences, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful travel vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about planning a weekend trip. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to describe the places you visited, talk about fun activities, express your feelings, and ask simple questions about a trip. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Describing the place. When we talk about a trip, we can describe the place we visited. Listen carefully. The mountains were beautiful. Repeat. The mountains were beautiful. The air was fresh and clean. Repeat. The air was fresh and clean. The weather was cool and pleasant. Repeat. The weather was cool and pleasant. The view was amazing. Repeat. The view was amazing. Excellent. Conversation about the trip. Emma, what was your favorite part of the trip? Daniel, my favorite part was watching the sunrise from the mountain. Emma, that sounds beautiful. Did you take any pictures? Daniel, yes. I took many photos with my camera. Emma, did you buy anything? Daniel, yes. I bought some small souvenirs for my family. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. The weather was pleasant. Pause. The weather was pleasant. The view was amazing. Pause. The view was amazing. I took many photos. Pause. I took many photos. I bought a souvenir. Pause. I bought a souvenir. Very good. Talking about activities. Friend, what did you do during the trip? Emma, we went hiking in the morning. Friend, what else did you do? Emma, we visited a small market, tasted local food, and walked around the town. Friend, did you enjoy the local food? Emma, yes. It was delicious. Friend, would you like to visit again? Emma, of course. I'd love to go back. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia spent her weekend in a quiet village with her cousins. They stayed in a small guest house surrounded by green fields. Every morning, they walked through the village and greeted friendly local people. They visited a fruit farm, picked fresh apples, and enjoyed homemade juice. In the evening, they watched the sunset from a nearby hill. Olivia said it was one of the most peaceful weekends she had ever experienced. Now answer these questions. Where did Olivia spend her weekend? In a quiet village. Who was with her? Her cousins. What did they pick? Fresh apples. Where did they watch the sunset? From a nearby hill. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. The place was beautiful. The food was delicious. I enjoyed the fresh air. We walked around the town. I'd love to visit again. Very good. English learning tip. When describing a trip, use simple adjectives. For example, beautiful, peaceful, exciting, comfortable, interesting, delicious, friendly. These words make your story more interesting and easier to understand. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. The trip was unforgettable. I enjoyed every moment. The scenery was beautiful. We had a lot of fun. I hope to visit again soon. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to describe places, talk about travel activities, and express your feelings about a weekend trip in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, share travel memories with friends, improve your listening skills, and learn more natural English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to describe the places we visited, talk about travel activities, and express our feelings. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to share travel memories with friends, recommend a place to visit, talk about your favorite moment, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Sharing my weekend trip. Friends often ask about our trips after the weekend. Listen to this conversation. Emma. Hi, Daniel. How was your weekend trip? Daniel. It was fantastic. I visited a beautiful mountain town with my family. Emma. What did you enjoy the most? Daniel. I loved the fresh air, the peaceful nature, and the beautiful sunrise. Emma. Did you take any pictures? Daniel. Yes. I took many photos of the mountains and the river. Excellent. Now repeat. How was your weekend trip? Pause. How was your weekend trip? It was fantastic. Pause. It was fantastic. I took many photos. Pause. I took many photos. Very good. Talking about the best moment. Friend, what was the best part of your trip? Emma. Watching the sunset by the lake. Friend. Why was it special? Emma. The sky was full of beautiful colors and everything was quiet. Friend. Who was with you? Emma. My parents and my younger brother. Friend. That sounds like a wonderful memory. Emma. Yes. I'll never forget it. Wonderful. Recommending the place. Daniel. I'm thinking about going somewhere this weekend. Do you have any suggestions? Emma. Yes. You should visit Green Valley. Daniel. Why do you recommend it? Emma. Because it has beautiful mountains, clean rivers, friendly people, and delicious local food. Daniel. That sounds perfect. I'll plan my trip there soon. Emma. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Lucas and his friends spent their weekend at a beautiful lakeside campsite. They arrived on Saturday morning and set up their tents together. During the day, they went fishing, played volleyball, and explored the nearby forest. In the evening, they sat around a campfire, cooked dinner, and shared funny stories. Before going to sleep, they looked at the stars and enjoyed the quiet night. Lucas said it was one of the happiest weekends he had ever experienced. Now answer these questions. Where did Lucas spend the weekend? At a lakeside campsite. What did they do during the day? They went fishing, played volleyball, and explored the forest. What did they do in the evening? They cooked dinner and shared stories around the campfire. How did Lucas feel about the trip? He said it was one of the happiest weekends of his life. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. The trip was unforgettable. The scenery was amazing. I had a wonderful weekend. You should visit this place. I'll always remember this trip. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your trip, use words that show the order of events. For example, first, then, next, after that, finally. These words make your story clear, organized, and easy to follow. Practice using them whenever you tell a story. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My weekend trip was amazing. The view was beautiful. We enjoyed every moment. I'll visit again someday. It was a wonderful experience. Fantastic work. Today, you practiced sharing travel memories, recommending places, talking about your favorite moment, and using natural English expressions. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a weekend trip, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own travel experiences in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful travel vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, described beautiful places, and improved your English through simple stories. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. Talking about my weekend trip. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my wonderful weekend trip. Last Saturday, my family and I decided to visit a beautiful mountain town. We wanted to take a short break from our busy lives and enjoy nature together. We woke up early in the morning and packed our bags. My mother prepared sandwiches, fruit, and drinks for the journey. My father checked the car and soon we started our trip. The drive took about 3 hours. During the journey, we listened to music, talked about our plans, and admired the beautiful countryside through the car windows. When we arrived, the weather was cool and fresh. The mountains were covered with green trees and the air felt clean. We checked into a small hotel near a river. Our room had a wonderful view of the mountains. After leaving our bags in the room, we went for a walk. We crossed a small wooden bridge and followed a quiet path beside the river. The sound of the flowing water was peaceful. I took many photographs of the flowers, birds, and beautiful scenery. At lunchtime, we visited a local restaurant. We tried traditional food that was both delicious and fresh. The restaurant owner was very kind and welcomed us with a warm smile. In the afternoon, we visited a small market. I bought a handmade keychain and a postcard to remember the trip. My younger brother bought a small toy, and my parents bought local honey. In the evening, we climbed a small hill to watch the sunset. The sky slowly changed from blue to orange, pink, and purple. It was one of the most beautiful sunsets I had ever seen. We sat quietly together and enjoyed the peaceful moment. The next morning, we woke up early again. We took one last walk before leaving. The fresh mountain air made me feel relaxed and happy. Before going home, we took a family photo in front of the mountains. It became one of my favorite pictures. Although the trip lasted only 2 days, it gave us many happy memories. On the way home, we talked about our favorite moments and laughed together. I realized that traveling is not only about visiting new places. It is also about spending quality time with the people you love. That weekend reminded me how important family, nature, and simple moments are. I hope to visit that beautiful mountain town again someday. It will always be one of my favorite weekend trips. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Where did Sophia go? She went to a beautiful mountain town. How did her family travel? They traveled by car. What did Sophia buy at the market? A handmade keychain and a postcard. What did the family do before going home? They took a family photo. What lesson did Sophia learn? She learned that traveling is about spending quality time with the people you love. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I went on a weekend trip. The journey was wonderful. The scenery was beautiful. I took many photos. We had an amazing time. I'll never forget this trip. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. Where did you go last weekend? Who did you travel with? What did you do there? What was your favorite part of the trip? Would you like to visit that place again? Why? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Every story you tell helps you become a more confident English speaker. English learning tip. Talking about trips is an excellent way to practice the simple past tense. Remember to answer these questions. Where did you go? How did you travel? Who was with you? What did you do? What did you enjoy the most? How did you feel? Practice answering these questions every time you talk about a trip. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about a weekend trip, describe beautiful places, share travel experiences, talk about favorite moments, use travel vocabulary, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep exploring, and never stop learning English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.